Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP update smooth love portion for Tuesday 8th of March. And guys, if you're interested to take the course that I actually came up with, this is our latest 2022 course for beginners, and I'm gonna take you in a very slow paced manner and teach you how to do technical analysis. If you guys have really liked the way I've predicted all of this, so many people requested me to actually make a course ever since I was predicting SLP up here, and these targets were predicted by me. Only the first person potentially on YouTube who did this, and ever since, people have been saying that, hey, make a course for us, teach us how you do this stuff. So I did hear most of the people, and it seems like this course is going to be a very lengthy course, 15 plus hours of contents, and you're going to have a lot of things to understand. Just the link is in the description of this video. You can click on that and you can learn about what you're going to learn from this course as well. Back into the charts, guys. Yep, so 2-3 days ago I made a video that the weekly is slowly starting to reverse, and now I'm getting super bullish on SLP once again. Okay, I'm really getting bullish because it's bullish. It is showing me the bullish signs, so I'm really expecting SLP to slowly start moving towards the upside and have a huge uprise as well. So yesterday what you did is you made here something known as an inverted hammer. So this is my take. Today you're gonna see SLP potentially going to the 0.019. Okay, so if this is a consolidation box right now, you're gonna have to wait for SLP to properly break out of this horizontal channel, and then you come down to the 21, and then you start to move towards the upside. And I'm going to tell you the technical targets out of SLP. So you take the top to the bottom right there, and if you do come up to break here, then you're looking to go to the 26, 0.0268. But this is not a very clear consolidation box. We're going to talk about it later, but in my opinion, this is just looking like a very good investing opportunity, and I've been saying this in yesterday's video as well. SLP is actually holding really strong right here. Okay, it's not losing this support. Just look at that, one touch here, one touch right there, another touch right here, you have one touches right here, some few touches there. And to me, guys, it seems like it's interested to go to this price level, at least in the short term, which is going to be the 21. So that's going to be a nice price appreciation. If you're looking for an entry, it is a good entry in my opinion. Okay, like 17% trade is what you're looking for. So that this will be amazing, guys. This will be really amazing. I am actually loving the structure of SLP. When it was bearish, I told you it was bearish, and now it's looking golden. It's looking absolutely golden for potential continuation to the upside as well. I still have to pay attention to the monthly time frames as well. So this month closes in the next 23 days, so there's a lot of days to actually say that, to see what SLP does, by the way. And one more thing is, if this month is actually bullish, I expect SLP to go back to the 43, 42 levels, and even cross that level and potentially go to the 56. This is my take. If this month starts to get bullish, and that would be a nice good price appreciation of from there to there, like 220%. It's possible, because by the looks of things, it can do that. So that's it for this SLP update, guys. Check the course if you are interested in learning the technical analysis that I'm putting together, so that you can be able to learn at your own pace. You can earn the way you want to earn. And one more thing, join the Discord. Every link is in the description of this video, and I'm gonna see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.